What you guys, got a quick video here for you on how to use Windows 11 Photo app to edit videos. Now, if you want to take a quick snippet of any video, then you can get your video sample here. We use this one, for example. I'm going to right click on this and you can open it with the Photo app, or you can go down to the bottom where it says show more options in Windows 11 and you can say open with. And once you get to here, select photos. Now, once you select photos, it's going to open up this video inside the actual Photo app. And you can see here, we've got our image ready to go. So what we need to do is you'll see the video will play, but I'm going to take a small sample of this actual video. And what I'm going to do is up the top right here, there is a little edit button. So we're going to click on this one. You should see trim video. So this is the actual video. We can play it just like so. And you've got two little sliders on either side. So what you can do is drag the video exactly where you want the video to be trimmed. So for instance, let's just get it into a location, say for instance, around about here. And you can see he's doing something here. So what we're going to do is find the location I want to set up. And then what I'll do is I'll put the little sliders in this location. So let's just say we want it around about here. Let's go and get the left slider and drag this along and put the line exactly on that part of the video that you want. Just say there, that will do. And what you can do is continue to play the video and drag the right slider over to where you want to end the snippet or the clip of video that you want to save. And this is a very quick and easy way to edit videos without any sort of complex video editing software. You can just edit the video, save as, and this will ask you to save the video. And you can see I'm going to put it in the same location and it's just put trim on the very end of it right here. It will then render that video out, as you can see here. Doesn't take too long at all. Let that render out and then basically you will have your little trimmed video that you just set up there. Now, obviously, you can take a lot more time than what I did here to trim out those funny clips or things like that you want to create little memes with. You can do it with this little application. Very simple and easy to do. And we've just quickly clipped a little bit of segment out of this video. And again, you can take more time at doing what I've done here. But basically, that's how you can do it. Very simple and easy to do using Windows 11, the Photo app, and very useful little trick there. So hope you enjoyed it. You can see here the video is here, very reduced down in size, and you can then use this on whatever you like. Hope this video has been some sort of use to you. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just a quick video today, just for to get something up there for you guys to see. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who join my YouTube members group. I really do appreciate the support, and I shall catch you in the very next video, or I will see you on my Discord server. Anyway, have a nice day. Bye for now.